Cubot is known for its innovative and affordable smartphones that never fail to meet the average consumer's needs. Hafury, a subsidiary brand of Cubot, is dedicated to creating smartphones that are tailored for women, and this is one of them. This is the new Cubot Hafury V1. The V1 strikes a balance between functionality and visual appeal. It even boasts impressive internal specs despite its affordable price tag. Not only does it feature a 6.5-inch Full HD IPS display, but we also get a unique 1.41-inch squared AMOLED rear screen. This additional screen provides quick access to notifications, the time, and other information, providing some practicality to a previously unused space on the back of a phone. So the burning question is this phone truly worth the asking price? And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. Now, Cubot likes to make a lasting impression with the Hafury line, and the V1, well, it is no exception. The Hafury V1's packaging is elegantly crafted and offers a nice unboxing experience. This phone is packaged really well. In the box, we do get a few things to go along with the phone. We get the USB Type-C cable, a charging plug, pin ejection tool, 2 protective cases, and finally a basic user manual. Now, one of the standout add-ons of this phone is certainly that stylish phone case. This case is designed to be eye-catching and, well, attention-grabbing. The case has a fashionable bag-like appearance and even includes a small pouch for keeping money or cards inside if you want. Now obviously this isn't going to appeal to everyone, but for a free case, well, what can you complain about? You use it or you don't. Now the case aside, I can't deny the design and build quality of the V1 itself is outstanding. The V1 smartphone features a really appealing plastic and glass design with a range of chic colours to choose from, including black, pink and light blue. Now, despite consisting of a plastic edging, this phone still retains the ability to feel solid in the hand. The V1 actually has a sleek design that measures 165.8 by 75.8 by 9mm, and, well, it only weighs 200 grams. Not only does this provide grip and portability, but it is a nice looking device. And most importantly, it fits nicely in the palm of your hand. Now on the front we have this sharp 6.583-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1080p by 2408. Media and phone visuals are sharp and vibrant. The IPS LCD panel used in this phone offers vibrant and true to life colours that are hard to beat in this price range. The display is quite immersive and makes content appear rich. Now the viewing angles are excellent too, ensuring that colours and contrast remains consistent even when viewing from different angles. However, the display isn't great in direct sunlight, and it may be difficult to see the screen outside under such conditions, so do keep that in mind. So let's quickly talk about that rear screen before we go on to the performance. This multifunctional rear display offers up an additional screen real estate for quick access to things like notifications, the time, camera interface, and other information, adding to the practicality of this device just even further. Sometimes operating off the screen can be difficult, but overall it works quite well. There is quite a bit we have on this, with multiple different clock faces and likely more on the way. There is some customization you can actually do. This is all done in the settings, and you can make this screen work for you. Just being able to look at the back of the screen to see notifications without having to flip the phone over can be quite handy. Like I said, it's a previously unused space, so why not just utilize it? Now in terms of performance, the V1 uses an MT8788VWA octa-core processor, offering some seamless performance between multitasking and light gaming. As mentioned earlier, the V1 comes with some generous internal specs. With 256GB of internal storage and 8GB of RAM, which can be virtually expanded to 16, well, you have plenty to use. Now this ensures that you have sufficient space and processing power for your applications and most of your storage requirements. Now the phone's Antutu benchmark score is around 250,000 points, which means that it may not offer exceptional performance for very demanding needs. Though the Android 13 interface is usually smooth without any major lags or hiccups, it just might struggle with demanding games like Genshin Impact or Car X Street. It just appears to be laggy and drops frames horrendously. However, if you put the settings down low and use games like PUBG or Call of Duty, this phone can handle them. Although it may not offer complete smoothness and high FPS, it's definitely playable. The screen certainly helps with this and gives some sharp and vibrant visuals for gaming sessions. The Hafury V1 has both the Cortex A7 III and Cortex A53 cores clocked at the same speed of 2 GHz, and they serve different purposes. Now the Cortex A7 III cores handle more intensive tasks, while the Cortex A53 cores manage lighter tasks and background processes. By doing this, we get a balance between the performance and efficiency, actually optimizing the device's overall power consumption and performance. All this actually contributes to how this gets a relatively high battery life for such a small battery size. Now, although the 4,350 mAh battery capacity may seem low, the processor's energy efficiency makes up for it. It can easily provide more than 7 to 8 hours of active screen time. However, if you are heavily gaming or using multiple apps or multitasking, the battery life's going to drop to around 5 hours in my experience with heavy usage. So while it may not be an overly impressive battery, it's great for providing at least a day's worth of usage. Additionally, the device comes with fast charging at 18 watts of power, so getting a full charge is achieved rather swiftly. The main camera of this device has a high-resolution 64-megapixel sensor. It is accompanied by 2 auxiliary modules which are primarily meant for capturing portraits. Although their effectiveness is quite low, the primary sensor is capable of producing excellent quality daytime images with a little bit of noise. However, low-light photography, well, it's just pointless with this. It just will not do it. In a well-lit environment though, the images are acceptable. Admittedly, they are not fantastic and won't win any awards, but they suffice in terms of capturing moments of importance, so they get the job done. Now, when it comes to capturing videos, the camera on the phone doesn't have any special features. There is no inbuilt stabilization, as you could imagine, but the image quality is okay. It's not great once again, but let's be honest, for a phone in this price range, what were we expecting? By opting out of installing an expensive camera module, they are able to offer this phone at a much cheaper price. So sometimes it's give and take. There is some extra features. There is NFC contactless payments, making an excellent feature for those who frequently visit supermarkets, so you can always have access to your virtual payments. Also, we've got a fingerprint sensor for security. This has been placed on the side of the phone. This placement means it is surprisingly fast to use it, and it offers a quick and efficient way to enter your phone. Especially for those with average size hands, the positioning is perfect. From placing the finger on the sensor to unlocking, well, it's quite quick. Now, all in all, the Cubot Hafury V1 is a great option for those who are looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on style. While it may not have the best camera or battery life, it offers decent performance, a sleek design, and most importantly, a very affordable price tag. In short, the Hafury V1 is perfect for those who want an affordable smartphone that looks good and works well. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.